In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design posters with masking in Canva, whether you're a design novice or have some experience under your belt. This tutorial will guide you step by step in creating visually stunning posters using Canva's masking tool. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Canva. Canva is a versatile online design platform that makes crafting beautiful graphics as simple as a few clicks, and it's a fantastic tool for both beginners and professional designers. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log in if you haven't already. Now, let's create a new design. At the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Create a Design. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Poster. This option ensures that your canvas is perfectly sized for a classic poster. Remember, choosing the right size is crucial, as it lays the foundation for all your subsequent design work. Next, it's time to select a background color, an often overlooked step that significantly enhances the aesthetic of your masked content. A thoughtful choice of background color can make your design pop and set the mood for your poster. If you're uncertain, consider how different colors might affect the visual impact and emotions your design conveys. Moving on, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on Text. Here, you'll be prompted to add a headline text. When typing your headline, opt for bold, clear fonts. This ensures your message is easily readable and stands out, especially since we'll be masking the text. Don't shy away from experimenting with different typefaces that align with the theme of your poster. With your text in place, click on Effects located just above your design workspace. Here, you'll find a variety of options. For this tutorial, focus on selecting either Hollow or Mask. These effects are designed to give your text a unique look, allowing an image or video to show through the letters. Once you've chosen your text effects, it's time for the exciting part, masking your image or video behind the text. Select the image or video you want to use and drag it onto the canvas. Position it so it sits directly behind your text. Canva will automatically clip the image into the text, creating a stunning mask effect. This seamless integration is what gives your poster a professional touch, merging your text and image into a cohesive design that captures attention. And there you have it. You've just created a visually striking poster using masking in Canva. With this technique, you can apply your new skills to various design projects, from personal presentations to professional marketing materials. Feel free to experiment with different images, videos, and text to create unique designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.